Alright guys, I've had enough of procrastination. It's now... my radio's going to come on. It's now 10 to 1 in the afternoon. I've been sat around doing absolutely nothing all morning, basically waiting for the sun. The sun has now come out, so what we are going to do is we are going to do some preparations for Trax, which I'm filming this on the Friday. We're leaving for Trax tomorrow morning, tomorrow midday-ish. So I need to get as much done today as possible. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to head over to Wickes, my favourite place, and grab ourselves a hose for my jet wash because my current one is broken. So yeah, let's skip to that now. Actually, I think we're going to change plans and I'm going to go get petrol first and then we're going to go to Wickes. So yeah, let's jump to that now. Alright, so guys, I'm back home now. We've literally just been to Wickes, got all the supplies that I need, the new hose basically. So I'm going to set all that up and we're going to get to washing the car literally 2 seconds for you guys, so yeah. Alright, so guys, this product that I'm going to be using is a product called Platinum. And what it is it's basically a polish within a cutting compound, but it's a very, very fine cutting compound. So while it's cutting to try and get rid of most of the swirls that I've literally just created by washing the car, it's also going to polish the paintwork and fill in all of the little minor swirls and stuff that you can see to your naked eye when it's like in the sun. So it's basically a bit of both, but it's mainly a polishing compound because obviously I've already machine polished this car before, so it doesn't need cutting too much. But yeah, I thought I'd just let you guys know that's what I'm using, and I'm going to start by going over this rear panel of the car here. I've turned the brightness down and everything on the phone as much as I can so you don't get as much glare up here on the paint. You guys aren't going to really see all the stuff that I see in the paintwork. This black dot here, by the way, not on the car, it's a reflection of some sort. It's probably actually on the lens. So let's... Nope, maybe not. But anyway, I'm going to get to doing this back panel and we will see how it turns out. I didn't really want to use that much, but we'll have to put up with it now. Okay, so like I said, you guys ain't going to see it much, but that panel is basically finished. I may not even put that bit on time lapse just to show you how quickly that was done. I'm looking at it in the sunlight right now, and all the swirl marks that I've literally just created by washing the car are gone. I notice these things because I'm a valeter myself, so some people may not have noticed the things that I just got rid of, but it makes me feel better that I've got rid of them, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we're going to get to doing the rest of the car, and I will come back to you after I've done all of that. Alright, so guys, I'm not going to sit here and bore you with the machine polishing of the rest of the car. I'm just going to finish that all off myself, and I will get back to you guys when I am finished. So yeah, let's cut to the next scene. Alright, so guys, the car is, the outside of the car is completely finished right now. I'm basically just left with the inside, and I've got to that stage where I really cannot be bothered, because I've got all this crap down here. This is all stuff that I've just pulled out of the glove box, by the way. It's not all crap that's just left in my car all the time. But this is all crap. I was trying to find some pinstriping. That's why all this crap's all down here. But I need to tidy all this up, either stick it back in the glove box or take the crap out that I don't need and stick it indoors in the bin. Got to tidy all this up. The back's not too bad. There's just a bit of rubbish and some clothes. Well, a work jumper and a few bottles. I don't know if I'm going to hoover it today. I'm probably going to hoover it in the morning before tracks, because we've still got to get all our shit in this car. And I can't be asked to hoover it tonight. I've got to edit this video and get it uploaded anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some cinematic shots of the outside of the car, and then I'm going to say goodbye. Alright, so guys, that's the little cinematic of obviously the car. I do look a little bit orange at the minute, or a little bit pale, I can't tell. I've done something with the camera settings, but I'm going to end the video here. I appreciate everyone that's stick through the video till this point, and if you have, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe. It helps out a lot. Make sure to leave a like as well. And yeah, I'm going to get to editing this video, just a little Trax prep video, and then I am going to start filming as of tomorrow morning for Trax, I think. So yeah, like I said, I appreciate everyone that's hit that subscribe button. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I shall see you in my next video. So yeah, peace out guys.